Make a great choice today with the 2017 WRX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, cargo area light, trip odometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.